I love the sweet, spicy, and umami-packed flavors of this tasty pan-fried tofu. First, we'll prepare the sauce. Blend the garlic, ginger, gochujang, soy sauce, sugar, sesame oil, rice vinegar, and water in a blender until smooth. Reserve about a quarter of the sauce for serving. Next, we'll prepare our tofu. Today I'm using Nasoya organic super firm high-protein tofu, which I'll toss in cornstarch to achieve a crispy coating. Shake off any excess cornstarch. Heat a sauté pan over medium heat and add the oil and tofu. Keep the tofu in a single layer and turn, cooking until golden brown and crispy all over. Drain off any excess oil and add in the sauce. Let the sauce reduce down to a nice glaze. Now you're ready to serve. Place the tofu on a platter and drizzle with the reserved sauce. Garnish with green onions, cilantro, and sesame seeds, and a side of rice. This spicy glazed pan-fried tofu is simple and absolutely delicious. Enjoy!